Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets. Today I'm gonna do a little quick cash stuffing with you guys, and we are stuffing 630, and this is paycheck 3 of only my husband's. I'll show you guys real quick how I did it. Pretty much on our first paycheck was 1,043 with 13, and it was enough, and he had overtime. And then on paycheck 2 he had a little bit of overtime, so he got 963, but on paycheck 3 he had no overtime, and that was 630. And so the cents stay in the bank. They always stay in the bank, the cents, and I only take out the 630. Now I usually go to my paycheck 3 here, and I leave the $97 that I need for the upcoming bills. But because I noticed that I still have money in my cushion, I decided to use my cushion for those $97 and stuff the 630. So that's how we're gonna do it this week, and we're not putting anything into our sinking funds once again on paycheck 3, and that is okay. I'm okay with it. I'm a little bit sad about it, but I know it's okay. It's only for the moment, right? And then we're gonna do our expenses on paycheck 3 right here, and these are Miss Karla May budgeting kit. And then I always link her shopping, like her website, in the description down below. I always try to link it down below in case you guys are interested in getting her sticker kit. And the planner I use is an Erin Condren 7x9 planner. Okay, well, we're just gonna start real quick right ahead. And as you can tell, my yellow binder is not here, and that's my sinking funds binder, and just because it's not gonna be enough. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 5, 550, 570, 590, and 600. Then we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. We have 630. And we're gonna do these real quick today. It's like I said, it's gonna be a real quick one. It's not that much. And the reason why I do it like this is because the mortgage is big, and also I want to have the utilities ready because those always come out in the first week of the month. And then we have also the loan is on the 8th always, but it's also like the same amount as my mortgage, so I need to have those ready for next month. That way next month we're not struggling to figure out where we're gonna get that money from, so we would already have it. And so these are the most important ones, and I'm always gonna be prioritizing the most important ones and the most important things. And whatever we need for the rest of the week, I'll just get it from my credit cards. Like I said in the beginning of the month, I will be using my credit cards this month, and it's only gonna be for this month, and I'll explain to you guys why I emphasize on this month. Okay, so we were gonna start with our, let me put this to the side, and we're gonna start with our purple binder here, and it's our mortgage. Mortgage is gonna get 263. So we have 1, 2, 50, 10, 1, 2, and 3. I'm trying not to get confused like last video. And there you go. So mortgage has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 750, yeah, 750, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. So it has 789. I hope that's correct. if I didn't forget. And utilities is getting $63. So we have 50 and then a 60 and $3. So utility has sorry, 51. Well, that's 100. Then we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. So it has 189 for our utilities for next month. And these don't get anything for now. And then the loan gets 255. So we have 1, 2, a 50, and a 5. So our loan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 7, 750, 755, 760, and 65. So we have 765 in our loan. Oh, this says subscriptions, but I didn't have enough stickers, so I kind of used the C for S, and I did a P and put a little squiggly line here for R. I don't know, I didn't have enough anymore of the stickers. Gas isn't getting anything, and we're just gonna leave it like that. Gas is not getting anything. I'm still gonna be using my credit card for the gas, and like I said, I am gonna be using these credit cards. It's very important that we use them because it's needed, and we never thought this was gonna happen. Hence why I decided to start re-budgeting and redoing this, and and doing what mostly I needed to do, so that this doesn't happen. And I didn't expect for this to happen, really. Okay, so we are next with our pink binder here. In our pink binder, I have not gone to do groceries. Like I said in my last video, I started my meal preps on Friday on the 18th, on the 11th, and I had enough for the whole week. And I'm trying right now to not get groceries until I meal plan on Sunday, and then I do groceries on Monday and cook all my meals on Monday night, and that way I could start my week like as soon as Monday at least. And so that's why I still have groceries here. Give me just a minute, guys. Mama! Okay, sorry guys, I am back. My son woke up, so I had to go get him real quick. He is just laying down and watching Netflix now. So I decided to only put, I was gonna put $49 in groceries, but I'm thinking of just putting $40 in groceries. So groceries gonna have 140, 100 from last week and 40 for this upcoming week. And then I was thinking of just actually putting 5 in Hades, little savings. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put 5 in Hades. So Haiti will have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 5. 95 on Haiti. And then I'm thinking of putting the leftover dollars in my son's, which is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in my son's. Because I really wanted to put something in theirs. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So we are finished with these. I was going to put 49 in just groceries, but I decided to put 5 in Hades and $4 in Juniors. That way they have some. Okay, so we are done with our little cash stuffing, and I have some amazing news, you guys. My work permit came on Friday the 18th, and I am so glad and excited that I'm able to start working. And actually, I start working on Saturday at my first job, on Saturday, Sundays, and Mondays at my first job. And then I'm gonna do my second job on, well, right now I'm gonna call and see if I could start working on Monday all the way through Friday. And so I'm super excited. I finally get to back to work. So that means if we check out my calendar here, that means that if I start working right now on Monday, then in my second job you get paid every 2 weeks, and in my first job you get paid every week. So every 2 weeks you'll see my paychecks a little bit bigger than in the other weeks. So on Monday, if I can, I'm gonna see if I can start working on Monday, and then he'll give me a schedule and see how that works out. But I know on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays I will be working on my first job. I know it's a bit confusing, and I'm sorry, but as these videos go on, I'll explain a little bit better. So if anything, I will get paid on March. And let's see, if we go to March, that would be on the 4th. So I'll be starting off, oh sorry, on the 4th. So I'll be starting off with March with me going back to work, and I am super excited for that. I um I feel so much better now that my work permit is here. I feel safer. In all honesty, it's most the anxiety comes from the safetiness of the work permit that brings to me, and I'm talking as an immigrant, and it is sometimes it could be scary for the things that happen in the world as an immigrant. And I'm just talking, like I said, as an immigrant myself. And I get like anxiety just when I think about certain things that might happen. And I always think that something might happen, but in the wrong way, like something bad. So I try not to think about it like that. So I'm like super excited, and I hope it gets better. I'll explain a little bit more when the upcoming videos, when March come, and you guys will see how things will change and how things are gonna happen from starting on March. So we're gonna continue, and everything's gonna get better. And I know we were struggling, but like I said, using the credit cards is something I'm still gonna be using until I get back to work. So let's see how that goes. And well, today that concludes today's video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope anything gets better for you guys as well. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to join this little planning and budgeting family. And I hope you guys just really have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching again. So much. I appreciate every one of you who's watching. So thank you. Well, that's it, I guess. Bye, guys.